Okay, this is job number 20442. It's called Hall Lake East Subdivision. This is out in Linwood. It says Linwood Public Works Department, but this is not a public works project. This is a private project. Okay, and this is something I'm bidding to Team Nelson. Tracy Gregg is a friend of mine I went to college with. He's an estimator out there and wants us to bid on the asphalt and the signage, as well as striping on this project. So what you can see highlighted in yellow, outlined in yellow, is this plat. And in this plat, there are main road measurements, and then there's also private access. That's one of them's right there. One of them's up here with square footage, and then there's one down here on the other end. Okay, so on the main road, there's 44,597 square feet, and on the private access drives, there's 9,360 square feet total. So on the private access, so on track 994, which track 994 is right here, as you can see, 994, they want 20-foot wide access roads there, and they want 2-inch Class B over 4-inch of asphalt treated base. They also want 4-inch gravel. We're going to bid this as pave ready. So we'll have them do the grading, gravel, and then we'll do the asphalt treated base and the 2-inch Class B. Same thing for the private access on lots 17 and 18, which 17 and 18 is up here. Okay. Same thing, 2-inch Class B over 4-inch ATB with the 4-inch gravel base. On the main road, where there's 44,597 square feet, on one half of the road it says to do 4 inches of crushed rock, and then they want 4 inches of HMA, 2 lifts required. On the other side, though, you'll see it says 6 inches HMA, 2 lifts required. All in all, it's the same thickness that they want between crushed rock and HMA, but you can see on one side it's 4 inches of HMA, the other side it says 6 inches. What else was I going to mention on this? I think that's it for now. We'll flip over to the signage portion of this. So I'll have this sign schedule saved on Google Drive. It'll be called Sign Schedule. These are the signs that we are getting pricing on from Alpine. These 5 signs are on the sign schedule. So it tells you from posts 1 through 14. There's 14 different posts. These are 12-foot quick punch posts, and they also have a 7-gauge anchor sleeve that goes with it. I think the anchors are like $35 a piece, and the posts are, I think the posts are up to like $42 or $44 a piece for the posts. There's street signs on here, and with every street sign, you got to have some sort of bracket. So with 14 posts, you know you're going to have on signs 1, 3, and 4, those have street signs on top of stop signs. So that means you're going to have 3 cross brackets that go in between the 2 street signs, one on top of the other. And then you're going to have it's like a base bracket that goes on the post that holds the first sign. So you're going to have 3 of the base brackets that go on the post, and then you're going to have 3 cross brackets that go in between the 2 street signs. Push pause. So these are the brackets that they're caps that go on the posts. We need 3 of those, and then we need 3 of these cross brackets to hold street signs. Okay. As far as the there's an address sign that's in there that's 12 by 18. There's only one address sign, and it needs one 4x4 treated post. So it says 7 foot to the bottom of the sign. Then you got a 1.5 feet here. So now you're at 8.5 feet, and then you got to go into the ground. So you want to get a 12-foot 4x4 wood post to go with the one address sign that's on the sign schedule. And that address sign is right here, sign number 5. Okay, I've located the signs in blue, which I'll probably scan these and send them to Google Drive, so that way people can see where I've identified where the signs go. Okay, so we need, out of these 14 signs that I mentioned, or 14 posts, you actually only need 13 of the 12-foot quick punch posts, and then you need one 12-foot treated wood post. Okay, you'll need 13 sleeve anchors, heavy-duty sleeve anchors. Each post will have 2 bags of concrete, so you're going to need 26 bags of concrete. And then on the wood post, it doesn't. The wood posts need concrete too, so you're going to need 2 bags of concrete for the wood post. So that's a total of 28 bags. 14 and 14. Yeah, 28 bags of concrete for all the posts. To install these signs should only take 1 full day if you have the Bobcat with the auger. And then, of course, on the asphalt, you'll know what to put on that. Okay, so I think that's it for this project for right now. I'll have this saved to Google Drive, and hopefully we can get in with Team Nelson. I'll have all this stuff turned in as well, these details, so that way they are easy to look up. All right, thanks a lot.